Alright guys, we are at this bridge today. A railroad bridge. We got like a little current going. We're gonna set out some flathead rod. We're gonna set out, we got jig head crawler and we got crankbaits. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish. So let's go. No way I don't get a smallmouth reeling it by this bridge. Yep. Dude, crankbaits are the sauce. It's a nice little smallmouth, dude. Oh, I really do not want to get hooked. Alright, Luke. Will you do some... There he is. We're going to get him on the big camera. Alright, guys. First smallmouth of the day. Caught him on a nice little crankbait. We're just going to give him a little toss off this. Alright, guys. We got that flathead rod set up with the little green sunfish on it. Back to throwing this paddle tail. Alright guys, got the little rebel crawdad. This is kind of what I'm expecting to catch this fish. See if it holds true.
Dude, I don't know what I'm going to do if I catch one from here.
You're going to boat flip it with your 17-pound line. Right, like, oh, tiny little ones. I had a couple tiny smallies try to eat it. Oh yeah, baby. He might be small, but he is a fish, and that is...
The thing is, I almost bought one of those rebel craws today, or yesterday.
These things scare me. Oh, he's throwing up.
What?
He's throwing up crawdads that he ate.
The crawdads do work. Crawdads type bait.
I don't know why I keep taking these things off with my hands when I have pliers.
No, that green frog is the highest quality frog I've had.
Alright, well this guy's kind of bloody a little bit. It's from his head. I don't know why he's bleeding that much, but there he is. We're gonna toss him back in there. Let's see if we can get another one. This rebel craw. That one I was going slow. Got another one. Another smallie guy though. Honestly looks like a replication or whatever it's called of the other one. Oh my gosh, these guys are destined to try to hook you.
I mean, it's only fair.
Yeah, that's true. That one's super pretty with that red eye.
This one doesn't even work.
Alright, I gotta take a picture of this guy. Alright guys, this is our third smallie of the day. This one's got really pretty eyes. Red color. Just a little guy, but a really pretty fish. So we're gonna dip him back in there. Let's see if we can catch something else.
The unspeakable.
Really?
Yes, right here, right next to my foot.
Hold up.
Big one. It's moving. It's right under that rock.
Hold up. Can I step down without getting bit?
Yeah. Could be able to. It was right under this rock.
What rock?
This one right here. It was right. Yeah, you can see it from right here. It's way back there.
Oh my gosh, that's one of those one things too.
Yeah.
It's one of the things.
The white.
Yes. That's why I was gonna say something about you being down here, because this is literally the best place for them, up under rocks like that.
I saw that. I looked over and saw one.
Oh, that's cold. Oh, Luke, I had one. I don't know. All right, guys, we're just gonna drift this crawler. Got one already. First cast. Luke, first cast. Chub. It's a pretty big chub. I'm not using him as live bait. He's big for my liking on live baits. Probably could catch one on him though. Got one? That thing away from me.
Oh my gosh, break off already. Yeah. Wait. How the heck?
They just bend out.
Yeah. It didn't look bent to me at first. Where's that water coming out of that wall? Where's that? Is that what you're talking about?
I don't know. That's a good live bait. Hopefully. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. That was a big fish. First 5 seconds of being in there. It was on the fall. I hook set way late. That might have been my only chance. Oh, dude, that is the tiniest smallmouth. Dude, he's so fat. Dude. Ah, that was really close. He wasn't in the water long, so he's really mad. All right, here's the fourth smallie on the day for me. We're just gonna give him a nice little Release. Dude, he was right there. Luke, pitch your swim bait up by those trees and just let it sink. Get one? Hey, I told you there'd be one there. Show the camera. You what? Here, I want to see him. It's not a bad little fish, man. Here, show him real quick. Nice little smallmouth. That didn't work. I kind of missed it. Alright, just let him go real quick.
You see it jump.
Oh, did he? Alright. Got one. Luke! Another little one. Dang. This stretch must be full of these little turds. He just spit up a... I'll show you guys what he spit up. Alright, here's this little guy. He spit up this. Alright, get back in there, big guy. Yeah, I know. This is sick. Oh my gosh, I just dodged that. I just about died. Alright guys, my GoPro's about to die. I just caught another. Huh? Another dink smallmouth. This one's kind of pretty, so. Is he eating?
Yeah.
Probably turtles. This is a pretty smallie. That's probably the prettiest one of the day. First one might have been prettier. A lot of these were gold today, but this one's kind of that dark, spotted kind of color. He's got like the stripes and the dots. Just a pretty fish overall. Drop him back in. There he goes.